puntahan muna natin itong Church of St. Joseph na malapit lang sa Church of Annunciation.
It's a church, but we'll visit. Hey, my friends. Okay, so we're about to visit the Church of St. Joseph. As we talked earlier, we're in the area of Old Nazareth. And underneath this, there's a whole village, where it used to be from the 1st century, the time of Jesus. So they found this ancient cave underground of what used to be a dwelling of a family. And since it's very close to the place of Mama Mary, so they assumed this is where Joseph lived and later became the home of the Holy Family, where also Jesus grew as a child. We are also in the vicinity of the synagogue of Nazareth, where he was preaching, right? So all these stories of Jesus being in Nazareth, where he was preaching, where he was growing up as a child, happened in this vicinity. So this area has an old church from the medieval times, and in the early 20th century they built this modern church on top of it. But I would like to show you the underground, the crypt of this church, and how it has this ancient caves from the time of Jesus. So we're going to go down. There's a few steps underneath. So those with wheels, they cannot go. You can go just up to the church. Where are they?
So ito po yung simbahan, Church of St. Joseph. Dito po ang ating Panginoong Kristo at ang Holy Family, ang mahal na Birhen Maria, nakatira sa lugar na ito. At may misa po sa kasalukuyan. Iba namang grupo ng mga pilgrims. Dito po sa lugar na ito ay tinuruan ni St. Joseph si Jesus Christ kung paano magpanday. Kaya sa Mark chapter 3 verse 6 verse 3 ay mababasa natin na hindi ba siya ay karpentero? Is he a carpenter? So ibig sabihin si Jesus po ay naging karpentero, hindi lamang anak ng karpentero, kundi karpentero. At ang lugar na ito, ayun ang panahon na si Jesus po ay hinubog ni St. Joseph bilang ama na karpentero. At hindi lamang si St. Joseph ay nagturo sa kanya kung paano magtayo, sapagkat ang karpintero po ang kanyang role ay builder. So tinuruan din niya si Jesus na maging matatag, sapagkat si Jesus po ay magtayo ng simbahan. You are Peter upon this rock, I will build my church. So ang karpintero once again ay isa pong builder. Kaya siya po si St. Joseph So punta tayo sa ilalim ng simbahan na ito. O yung nasa pinakailalim.
How do we look in our eyes, and how do we look in his eyes? The way he is looking at us, and the way we are looking at each other. When I was in Namibia 2019, they met me. You cannot imagine the Okay, what's one come with me? Moscow State.
So yun po. Ang larawan, lumang larawan. Sa pagtuturo ni St. Joseph sa ating Panginoon sa Kristo. At ang simbahang ito ay nasa ilalim po. At nasa ilalim po tayo ng simbahan. Madadaanan natin kanina. Church of St. Joseph. So ito po yun. So dito po yun, ito po ang bahay ni St. Joseph. At dito po ang lugar na kung saan tinuruan ni St. Joseph ang ating Panginoong Kristo sa gawain bilang isang ama. So yun po yung simbahan. So labas na po tayo sa simbahan.
Everybody here? Okay, I'll give you now 10 minutes to go to the toilet. Can you see where the toilet is? No. Okay, let's do a 10-minute restroom break. This way, please. This way.
So ito po ang Holy Family. So nakita natin na ang mga simbahan dito na may kaugnayan sa Kristyanismo ay sa simbahan po na Katoliko. Kaya patunay lamang na ang simbahang Katoliko ay ang pinaka una na Kristiyano ang iglesyang itinatag ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo.